Hi, some people have been wondering how to latch onto animals on Wild Animals Online, and I am going to be showing you. I'm going to be using my penguin, since that's the smallest animal I have, and I will show you. Okay, so, sorry if I died a couple times. I am only at level 2. I've never really played on my penguin before. Okay, so let's find a animal that's bigger than you, and you run behind it, and after a tiny bit away from it, you hit the attack button. Okay? So let's try to figure out which animal is the biggest. I've seen this zebra before, I hate it. Okie dokie, so let's try to attack it. There's deers after me. Run, run, run! Okay, so maybe not the zebra because it looks like it's a little busy right now. I do not know what animal. Okay, so I know the gorilla's after. Okay, it's gone. Okay, so let's try this leopard. I'm sorry, it's taking a while. Of course, you need to kill it. Of course you do. Okay, this is annoying. Everyone needs to kill all the animals on this game. Maybe I could do deer. I don't know if it's bigger than me. And of course it's bigger than me. Yep, too big. Okay, so this stinks. I'm gonna just pause this until I find one so you guys don't need to be bored. Found the zebra. Okay, so you need to run behind it. They run fast, and then hit the attack button right before you hit the animal, okay? And make sure it moves, and because when it stays still, it stays on for a less amount of time. If it moves around, then you stay on for longer. Okay? And that is all. Ooh, let's try again.